Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to create a document in Canva using ready-made templates? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create and customize a document template in Canva Mobile on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Canva on your device. Next, tap Create, then select Doc. Canva will display many document templates you can choose from. Browse through the templates and select the one you like. For this example, I'll choose an invoice template. The document editor will open automatically. To edit the content, tap the text you want to change, then enter your own text. You can continue tapping and editing other text fields in the template. Canva offers many additional editing features, but in this tutorial, we are focusing on how to use document templates. Once you're finished editing your document, tap the download icon. Canva will display several file format options. Select DOCX. For this example, I'll choose DOCX so the document can be opened and edited in Microsoft Word. Then tap Download. Canva will save the document to your device. And that's how to create a document in Canva using templates and download it as a DOCX file on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra.